Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to teach you how to do the half double crochet through the back loop. So grab some yarn and a hook and let's get started. For this example, I have already done a row of half double crochets. I started with a chain of 12 and then half double crocheted in the third loop and every stitch across, and that gave me 10 half double crochets. And now to do the through the back loop, you're going to turn your work once you get that first row done. You're going to chain 2, and then let me zoom in here because you'll see these V stitches on top, these nice pretty well-defined V stitches. That's what we're going to work into, but you have the front loop here and the back loop, and we're just going to work into this back stitch here on the left hand side right now as you're looking at it. And if you turn, so to do the half double through the back loop, you're going to yarn over your hook, go into this first V just right in the middle, pick up that back leg, then you're going to yarn over and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. So yarn over, go into the next V, pick up that back leg, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again, pull through all 3 loops. And that's how you do the half double crochet through the back loop. And this is a lovely stitch. I've actually made scarves, baby blankets, just using this stitch. So you can make your chain as wide as you want. Doesn't matter the multiple, any multiple will work. You just want to make sure you have 1 or 2 extra stitches at the end for turning. Sometimes I do 1 stitch and then turn, but most patterns will call for 2. So that's why I demonstrated it with 2. So just keep going through the back loop all the way across, and I'll work with you guys till the end of the row. But this makes a nice, pretty, squishy texture, and it's so simple for, like I said, scarves. Makes lovely baby blankets, throw blankets for the back of the couch. Just turns out really nice, and it's kind of a mindless stitch, so you can sit there and watch your favorite TV show, favorite movie, talk with friends, have coffee, and you're not going to get distracted and mess up your stitches. You're like, oh shoot, what did I do? I missed a stitch. It's a really easy stitch. So let's see here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I did my last one. And let me rip this last one out because I want to tell you guys something too. If you're making something like a scarf or a baby blanket and you want the edges to be straight, you can, on the last stitch only, just do a half double crochet as normal by going under both loops. And that will help keep the edge of your work straight. But if you're going to put a border on it or something like that, you can always just go through the back loop all the way across your row. So it just kind of depends on your preference what you want to do there, but see, it does kind of leave a bit of a gap if you go through the back loop. So I think I do like it better on the last stitch going through both loops. And that kind of makes it straight. So then we're at the end of our row, we're going to chain 2. Like I said, sometimes I'll do 1, but most patterns will call for 2. So I'll just show you what I generally see. So your choice, 1 or 2 chains. And then you're going to turn your work and go back the other direction again by yarning over, going in that first loop, picking up the back leg, and that's it, guys. That's how you do the half double crochet through the back loop. Super easy stitch. Like I said, very mindless but satisfying. And if you have any questions, please comment below. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and it helps get my information out to others. Please feel free to share, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.